Honorable Mr. Justice Salim Ahmed Mali.
वो कैसे मुझे मीटिंग थी कहीं अर्जेंट मुझे निकलना था and I filed a petition before him that my petition may be considered to give me a relief of leaving this session early on, and he was kind enough to consider my petition and has given a judgment in my favor. और थोड़ा सा और पीछे जाकर मैं ये भी आपसे शेयर करना चाहता हूँ, शायद बात लंबी हो। रामबन की तरफ जा रहे थे और रास्ते में काफी ज्यादा ट्रैफिक जाम आया, तो काफी देर तक स्टकअप रहे। और जब ये बात पता चली तो हर कोई खौफ में था कि अब इसके बाद जजमेंट क्या आएगी। और मैं जब कॉल करने गया तो सर को मैंने कहा, सर वी अपोलोजाइज एंड वी आर रियली सॉरी फॉर द इनकन्वीनियंस।
On confessing the offense, then a link will be generated and sent to him. And suppose if somebody intends to have a e-mulaqat, there is a inmate in a jail and his relative wants to have e-mulaqat with him, he is not having any family.
My colleagues who have joined us through online and their students, very good morning to all of you.
And we are in a position here today, someone as a judge, someone as a doctor, or my police officer, Mr. Sandeep Chaudhary, is represented by the SP Srinagar. So in different capacities we are reached here. But those are the times when this all was done by manual. There is no concept of this e-learning, e-code, etc. Advanced age was not there. Technology was not so advanced. This technology is already available on globe. It's not first time that we are entering an area. This e-learning, the challenges of e-learning and the successes we have achieved is also, we have to ensure that. We have to ensure for our future. We have to ensure that he can compete any side of the world, not of the country. So therefore, physical war times, we are not introduced to this. Had we introduced to this on time, the result would have been different. We prepare ourselves when something wrong happens, be it a pandemic, be it the other things around, or the floods, whatever natural calamities, So we have to prepare ourselves for our future. That is called future planning. And this future planning is throughout the world. And this is for the parents also. We have this time faced with the situation, that is why this morning I requested